Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I'm excited to get into the grocery store. It's such a sunny day, which always starts my day in a happy mood. I have a week's worth of groceries to get. Let's go in, see what Aldi has, and I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. Don't forget, any recipe I use will be linked below. Let's go. I'm not sure that these are the same price, but I think they're $4.75. I want to try these. I think my family will like them as well. They just sound good. I've heard that these are really good, and my family loves cinnamon rolls, so I'm going to try them. They're on sale for $3.49. I woke up craving a bagel with cream cheese and vegetables on it, so I'm getting everything bagel, my favorite. They're on sale for $1.95. I'm excited to eat this. I'll probably be eating this while I'm editing this video. My daughter wants to make homemade pizza Lunchables, so she asked for the mini naan as the starter for that, $4.39, and I'll get 8 lunches out of this. Salsa con queso for my son's lunches, $1.89. $1.29 for white bread, just to have for toast, PB&Js, and we're also having BLTs this week. My kids asked for green grapes for their lunches. They're $2.19 a pound, but they look to be pretty good. I need lettuce for salads, also for BLTs, $2.69 for the romaine hearts. Mini cucumbers for my kids' lunches, $1.89. I need a dozen eggs, $2.78, a little better in price. Let's check them though. A gallon of 2% milk, our staple, $2.67. This is the other half of my craving, the chive and onion, and then I chop vegetables on top, $1.99. I'm making a vegetable soup, so I'm going to get a can of diced tomatoes, 89 cents. A can of tomato sauce, 45 cents. And I'm also going to get 2 cans of the sliced potatoes at 95 cents a piece. As I was making my shopping list, I saw in an Aldi Facebook group someone posted a smoked cheddar and jalapeno soup that looks so good to me. So we're gonna have that with BLTs, 79 cents for the jalapenos. I'm getting pineapple slices in juice. This is just a really easy addition to meals. It'll probably be 2 meals worth, maybe one, $1.25. I'm gonna get 2 Roma tomatoes for BLTs. They're 89 cents a pound. We still have a lot of Pop-Tarts left over from our trip, but my older daughter was really disappointed I didn't get strawberries, so I'm getting these to have in the pantry for her, $1.92. I'm going to get this granola whole grain oats honey raisin almonds. It's on sale for $2.29. Now, unfortunately, I don't see prices anywhere, but Aldi has all these hanging plants. You guys know I have a black thumb, but I wanted to show them to you guys. They look pretty. I actually thought they didn't look that pretty from afar, but I think they're doing well. They're just small. I don't have a price for you, though. They also have all of these hyacinth, I don't know, flowers over here that look pretty. Definitely getting to be springy in here. Bunch of St. Patty's Day stuff. I still have a gnome. I never bring it out because I'm horrible at that kind of stuff, but $8.99, super cute. Window clings. I really love this garland. Not that one, this one. I think I probably have one, but how cute is this? They have big orange beards, St. Patrick's Day, $4.99, a really good value. Now these are kind of fun, and I think I'm gonna get a couple to put in my son's Easter basket. He loves surprise items. He loves Minecraft, and I think he'll really like these. $3.99. They'll be great. They have these really cute tight seal containers that'd be good for like overnight oats or meal prepping. I'm not getting them. I love this bowl. I actually think that's really pretty. And I wish I knew how to style it because I think it would look great on like a dining room table. They are vacuuming up front in case you are having a hard time, but I've waited and they keep doing it in between customers, so we're gonna just keep going. I really like these table runners, super cute. They're 90 inches long. different wreaths, different blankets, throws. My girls love blankets, and it's tempting to me to get them one of these each for their Easter baskets, but they don't really need more blankets, but that's never stopped them from wanting more. They're really cute though, $9.99. I also love that bowl. Really pretty stuff. I'm not up on home decor though. Oversized wood knot. Very accurate description there. Okay, so they also have office chair that's $50, a couple different patterns and textures to it, a chair mat, which I have one of these in my office. Helps a lot with the chairs, depending on what your floor is like. Still have these shag area rugs, still have the kids' bathroom stuff. This is really cute. I have one like this from Target from years ago. It was not $7.99. Actually, this is exactly what my other one's like. Remember to flush. These are kind of a takeoff of the Magnolia brand at Target. So a little bit of a ripoff, but they're $7.99 and they're cute. Okay, I need some plastic wrap. I generally buy this at Costco, but we are completely out. So until I get to Costco again, I'll get this, $1.95. Okay, you cannot make BLTs without bacon, and I generally get this one, but I feel like this looks really yummy to make BLTs with, and the peppercorn sounds really good to me, so I'm gonna try this. It's $7.49. I was gonna use some frozen taco meat, but this is 30% off, and I can make more for the freezer, so I'll get it. I was completely out of flour, and I wanted to make muffins this weekend. I couldn't do it, so I'm gonna get 2 of these at $2.29, so hopefully I don't run out completely again. Okay, so they don't have any of the less expensive spaghetti, so I'm gonna have to go bougie up here for the $1.65 spaghetti. I'm getting 2 cans of marinara, one for when we have dinner and one for Elsie's pizza Lunchables, $1.59 each. I need 2 things of vegetable stock for the jalapeno soup, and also we're having vegetable soup one night for dinner, $1.45 each. Okay, I didn't have this on the list, but since I just bought 5 pounds of taco meat, I need 5 packs of taco seasoning, 45 cents each. I love these veggie spring rolls, and they don't always have them, but they're really yummy and something to look for here. I air fry them, very simple. I've had these multiple times. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I saw these a few weeks back, and I was hoping they'd still be here. The chicken parm patties. I'm gonna make this with spaghetti, so obviously I'm a vegetarian, won't eat this, but it sounded good to me, and they are $9.99. They also have pork schnitzel, which is interesting to me. Edamame is still here. They have lots of different pizzas, mozzarella, cherry, tomato, and arugula. Sounds good to me. No one in my family would share that with me though. Eggplant cutlets. It'd be interesting if I tried those for my vegetarian with the chicken parm. She's so picky, she doesn't like to try new things. Lobster shrimp bites. They have crab legs, they have cauliflower bites, different raviolis, lots of different fish, tortilla top crusted flounder, mussels. I think because we're probably in Lent, there's a lot of seafood out here. But this is what I was looking for, guys. I love these. Pre-portioned ginger is such a game changer, really simple. And I can't always get fresh ginger here, so I was excited that they had these back. I don't really use the garlic. I always have garlic on hand, but I love these. $2.79. Now, I'm not a chocolate lover, so these do not look good to me. But they're chocolate stuffed pancakes. They're 10 mini pancakes, $3.99. I bought these in the past, different mint or shamrock ice creams, $2.29. But the pistachio gelato is what looks best to me. Yum. Back to getting pickles for lunches, $5.29, 6 packs. My oldest vegetarian loves these. $3.99 for mozzarella for the chicken parm. Obviously, I'm going to get the pre-sliced, easier on me. I'm excited. Parmesan's back. For a while, we've only had Asiago, so I'm going to get one of these for fresh grated Parmesan. We all love it. Yay, I was able to find exactly the cheese that the woman who shared the jalapeno cheddar recipe was, but she got the double smoked cheddar, $3.49. I'm gonna get it as well. I'm going to get this Italian blend for Elsie's Lunchables, $2.89. And just in case this smoked cheddar before wasn't enough, I'm gonna get this sharp cheddar if I need it. If not, we'll just enjoy it with crackers. $1.99. Okay, medium salsa for the tacos this week, $2.49. And also Southwest guac, $2.99. With the BLTs and the soup, I'm also going to make seasoned fries because I'm not sure if my kids will eat the soup well, $2.49. Now when I make my vegetable soup, I don't actually have a recipe, but I use frozen vegetables. So $1.09 for the California medley and 95 cents for the mixed vegetables. Just dump them in, season it well. I'm also going to make peas to go with the chicken parm meal, 95 cents. My husband really liked the cookies and cream ice cream last week, so he asked me to get more, $2.65. I can rest easy. My favorite waters are back. They're 89 cents. I'm gonna get 3 unflavored. Now these must have went really quick unless I completely missed them before, but the chais, I know they're like a fan favorite. They're back, $2.99. We only have 2 left in my Aldi. Some Easter candies. Got some random cereal going on over here. Not much in the Aldi Finds food aisle. Some different cookies. Lumiere's, maybe? I don't know. I love all these prepackaged gnocchi, and they only have 1 potato left, not spinach. I wouldn't mind the spinach, but I know my husband would. So I'm actually gonna get this and save it maybe next week, but I do like to have it on hand. Super good, $1.99. They also have stuffed ones. We've just never tried them, so I'm not sure how we'd like them. Mozzarella and tomatoes, the one I would be most tempted to try. Well, here's my cart. Any guess on the total? I'm gonna guess $138.18. Okay, my total is $142.11. I have to pick up 1 thing at Meijer, and then we'll go home and we'll see the meal plan. I'm here for 1 item. We'll see how many I walk out with. Any guesses on what it is? It's for my vegetarian, something she tried of her friends. Okay, strawberries are on sale, 2 for $5, and they look really good. They're from Mexico, so I'm gonna get 2 of these as well. I know my kids will love them. Okay, so I went down where the pretzels are in the chip aisle. They were not there. They were all the way over here with like dips and cheeses. So here I am to grab it. The 7-ounce bag is 2 for $6, so I'm gonna get 2 of them, and hopefully my daughter will actually eat them. The good thing is if she doesn't, I know I will eventually. Okay, here's our menu for the week. Monday, I'm making chicken parm with the spaghetti sauce and peas. The spaghetti and peas was my vegetarian's request, and I decided to add the chicken parm because I remembered that from a week ago. Tuesday, we're gonna have BLTs. I'm gonna make those fries, and I'm also making the smoked cheddar jalapeno soup. I know not everyone in my family will eat the soup, so I figure the fries would be good, and also my vegetarian won't eat a BLT, but she'll probably make a vegetarian sandwich. Wednesday, we're having tacos. As I mentioned, I usually pull the beef from my freezer. I prepare taco meat in large quantities, but since I saw the beef on sale, I'm making it fresh, and I'll just freeze more. Thursday, I'm making veggie soup. My daughters especially love veggie soup, so that is their request as well. Friday, we're going to get carry-out pizza. We'll also have salads with that. Saturday, I'm making butter chicken. I was supposed to make that this weekend, but I ended up getting almost like a 24-hour flu. I didn't eat pretty much anything Saturday or Sunday, so I decided not to make butter chicken this weekend. Actually, my husband decided not to make it. He made dinner last night. He just made kind of an easier breakfast dinner. So we're having butter chicken, everything I bought last week. And we're going to have leftovers of the butter chicken or whatever else, maybe vegetable soup, whatever anyone wants, left over on Sunday. So that's my meal plan for the week. Any recipes I'm using are linked below. As I mentioned, I prepare my taco meat in bulk, and if you want to see how I do that, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.